Hi everyone, welcome back again. Tara here with you with yet another topic around relationships. Like you know, that's my forte. So um, I do a lot of counseling in the area of relationship, also because of the fact that I'm a twin flame here, and um, my purpose is to seed the new form of relationships into the template of relationships. So um, we are not going to be speaking about twin flames, though today we will be discussing soulmates. So soulmate connection for me is a soul, a fellow soul that is your mate. So however, I do understand the question that's come here today is being asked from the viewpoint wherein um, when we find ourselves quote unquote stuck, yeah, in a relationship that's causing a lot of pain and you are triggering each other. So keeping that viewpoint in mind, I would go on explaining what a soulmate is. So, normally, the kind of soulmates that we are going to be discussing here today are karmic soulmates. You do have soulmates that belong to your soul family, which 80% of us are not in touch with right now because we are not down here experiencing being with our soul families. Um, we will be finally coming to that space after we have um, removed whatever trials and tribulations and trauma that's stored in our energy field. However, as of now, we don't have that happening. So a soulmate connection is a connection which is connected to your true, let me say, your lower chakras. So I'm talking about your root, your sacral, and your solar plexus. Now, here there is a lot of storing of fear, feelings of abandonment, feelings of rejection, I'm not good enough, I'm not worthy enough, and the connection that you have with your own self. Yeah. So you're holding a lot of trauma in your lower chakras, and your soulmate or the person who you're connecting with in the relationship area is the sole purpose of that being is to help you step out of these lower three chakras and step into your heart space so that you can then connect with a higher vibrational energy. So in that sense, your soulmate is your aid, is the helping hand that you have chosen prior to incarnation onto the planet so as to help you out of the lower chakra space and starting to connect with someone from the heart space. That is what a soulmate connection for me is. I know there's a lot of views around where people have different understanding of a soulmate. However, what has been given to me by my guides and what is my understanding of a soulmate, um, at the end of the day, that is what has made me even develop the work that I do with people, which is called empowering the self. So it's like taking your controls and power back from the lower chakra space wherein you are experiencing trauma with any and all connections. And then transcending, alchemizing everything, moving into the heart space so that you can experience the higher, or let me say, joy and blissed out relationships. So, soulmate connections, karmic families that we are born with will be your aids that is actually your instrument to fight your way out, or let me not use the word fight here, to move out of the lower chakra space where it's only trials and tribulations and pain and fear and abandonments and rejections and all that, and move to the higher chakra space, which is the heart chakra, where you can then experience a beautiful unconditional giving, which is going to be irrespective of what the other is being able to or not being able to give to you. So it's totally an unconditional space of love. So in my next video, I am going to be speaking more about this empowerment journey, yeah, from the lower space to the higher chakra space. So this, the rungs of the ladder that you need to move up, and what exactly needs to be done for you to be moving up to your higher heart space, so that you can connect with those connections that are of a resonance energy. So I think I have covered the, or let me say, I have answered the question. However, if you still want me to go more in depth, because there is a lot of karma that plays out in a soulmate connection. In fact, why don't I just expand on this a little bit more? So there is karma that's there in a soulmate connection, because they are karmic soulmates. And the karma can be coming from other lifetimes. And those of you who do not believe in other lives, then it's coming through your DNA, the seed that, the programs that you have inherited through your ancestry. So you are playing out the same karmic energy. Now, the way to put an end to it is by way of moving up through the lower chakra space and moving into the heart chakra space, where you would then not be playing out any karma. And you will be then able to attract another who's also a like vibration to you. So yes, I think we have fully explained it now. So thank you so much. And really, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you all to be connecting and supporting this platform. There's a huge amount of light that is present around right now for us to connect to, and which is going to be helping us move out of whatever it is that we're finding ourselves in. So always remember, enjoy life irrespective. Thank you. Enjoy your day.